Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Let's talk about fat, because fat gets blamed for a lot of things it didn't do. If your food tastes sharp, disconnected, or just kind of thin, that's usually not a seasoning problem. That's a fat problem. Fat is what connects everything together. It carries flavor. It smooths edges. It's why food actually feels good to eat. And no, that doesn't mean add more butter to everything. Here's the big idea: salt makes flavor clear, acid adds contrast. Fat is what holds everything together. Without fat, food can taste technically correct, but still feel wrong. Fun fact: most aroma compounds dissolve in fat, not water. That's why flavor lasts longer when fat is present. This is why food can taste sharp even when it's seasoned. The flavors are there, they're just not connected. Fat fills the gaps. Now let's talk about when fat shows up. Fat at the beginning helps build flavor. Fat at the end smooths and finishes. Same ingredient, different job. This is why restaurant food tastes rich without tasting greasy. They're not adding more fat, they're using it with intention. Butter is only 80% fat. The rest is water and milk solids. That's why it browns, foams, and burns differently than oil. And not all fats behave the same. Oil is great for heat transfer and searing. Butter adds richness and flavor. Cream adds body and softness. They're tools, not interchangeable. Here's where fat works with the other foundations. If food tastes sharp, fat can smooth it out. If food tastes heavy, acid balances it. If food tastes bland, salt clarifies it. Fat doesn't replace salt or acid, it supports them. Fun fact: a lot of what people call restaurant flavor is just fat used at the right moment. Here's the mistake I see all the time: people avoid fat, then wonder why food tastes dry or harsh. Used correctly, fat doesn't make food greasy, it makes food complete. So if your food feels disconnected, thin, or aggressive, before you add more seasonings, ask yourself if it needs fat. Most of the time, that's the missing piece. This is the foundation of fat. If this helped you, save it. Share it with someone who cooks, and tell me in the comments what dish feels dry or harsh for you. We'll fix it. Thank you, and have fun cooking.